Hello, my name is Amarnath Mishra. I am technical head in Blue Crest College. Today we are going to see about IoT, which is Internet of Things. As of well known, this IoT is a latest technology and upgrading technology, which is a very innovative technology for entire devices or electronic gadgets which can be controlled from your tip of your hand. So you can see some of the stuffs we have that are being displayed for the IoT features. So we are going to learn about IoT today at BCC Broadcast. So all of you, I welcome to BCC Broadcast. So today we are going to see about IoT features and we'll know about how IoT works. Usually what happens when we are out of our offices, out of our workplace, out of our home, we have control at the remote location. So through IoT we can control, we can monitor, we can operate from the remote places. So you can see everything is getting smarter. So things are, though it is getting smarter, we are also able to control the devices with the handheld devices. Like this is, you can see a smartphone is there. This is smart camera is there. So it will basically operate with the smartness, and you can see it can rotate up to 360 degree and you can capture motion sensors. Then night vision camera is there. It can also speak, the voice can be there. It can also understand the voice recognitions. So this can be able to control from the remote location, and it can have a view of 360 degree. We have also the Alexa, which is used for the voice assistant. So whatever I want, I can ask him. So basically what happens, usually people works with the people. Now in future we are going to work with the machines, devices. So these are basically, you can see it is going to check entire 360 degree. So this is what the IoT deals with. And this is Alexa, which will help me to
use EasyBiz app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
So it is also having a voice assistance which will help to assist whatever I want to know. Whatever command I give, it will operate according to that. We have also these devices like smart plug is there, which is the wall socket, which will help me to control room electrical appliances with the help of remote location with the IoT features. I can take control from the remote location, and I can switch on and switch off my light, fan, refrigerator from these types of smart outlet. We have also smart switch is there, which can be operated at a time. 15 devices can be operated and it can be controlled from the remote locations, and it will be configured with the help of your app which is used in your mobile. So you can see here I have the app which will help me to get control of these devices. So I can add the app over here and it can be controlled from the remote places. So I don't have to go switch on and switch off. I can manage with my mobile app, because this is also smart and this will also work as a smarter. But the thing is that everything will be operated with the help of internet. So it should be connected. It will also get connected to the internet, and it will basically work with the Wi-Fi connections, that is 2.4 gigahertz. This will also connect to the internet and it will be able to access from my mobile. So I can also have a sync with the mobile app also. We have a Alexa app in my mobile through which I can access this
I'm
device.
having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
We have another devices like robotics. Here you can see the components which is used as a microcomputing. This is known as Arduino, which is used to control entire devices of the robotics. So this is used to manage the device with the machine learning features. So this Arduino will work entirely your computer in a single shot of chip. So this can be connected to the computer, we can program it, we can put an operating system, and then we can operate these kind of devices. Like we can configure drone, we can configure motion car, we can configure a trolley. So these things can be prepared with these types of things. And these are all stuff for the robotics. So you can see this is the breadboard, this is Arduino, which is basically having Arduino version 3, UNO 3, and we can configure with the UNO R3 model is this one, which is used to configure the upgraded Raspberry Pi version 3 will be upgraded version will be acceptable from here. So you can see some circuit control switch is there which can be able to control your device. We can also configure these things with the app in our mobile. So we can also see the smartphone is also able to access with the smarter. So if I ask any command to the mobile, it will also operate as a IoT features. Okay, so let me show you one effect of this. Please switch on flashlight. So you can see that the flashlight has already switched on. Now if I give the command, this is the voice assistant which is being applied to the device and it is operating according to that. But if I say to operate another task, it will do. Please switch off flashlight.
Turning flashlight off.
So you can see it is telling me and it is operating also according to that. So if I want to call somebody, it will do the calling. In behalf of you, it will do the calling. It can book a restaurant, it can book a salon, whatever you want, you can do it. So this is the entire new technology which is being leading to the global era, which makes our society better, and these skills are very important for today's world. Thank you very much.